You are attending computer coding class.
Welcome. Today our topic is how to call a function from dictionary in Python. First of all, we will understand the meaning of dictionary. Dictionary is an important data structure of Python language. A dictionary is a set of unordered keys and valued pairs. In a dictionary, the keys must be unique and they are stored in an unordered manner. Every element of a dictionary has two parts. First one is key part and second one is value part. You can access a value by direct referencing of its key. That must be enclosed in a bracket. This is an example of dictionary. Here DICT is the name of dictionary and dictionary is enclosed in curly braces. Every element of dictionary has two parts. First part is key and second part is value, and there is a colon between key and value. If you want to print value 2 in this example, then you will write print and in a parenthesis you will write key 2 that is enclosed in bracket. So by using any key you can access any value of the dictionary by direct referencing. If you want to run a function from a dictionary, then you will have to write the function name as a value in dictionary and then pair that value with a key. In this example, I am creating two functions, function 1 and function 2. First of all, we will write the definition of all the functions. Then we will create a dictionary. Here function name will be used as a value in dictionary and then pair both the function with keys A and B. Here we will not add parentheses with function. If you want to execute any function, then there is no need of function call. Just write the key of dictionary that is enclosed with bracket and that particular value means the function will be executed. Let's start coding. Here I am using Spider as an editor. In this example, I will write the definitions of 4 functions that will calculate the area of different 4 shapes. These 4 shapes are circle, square, rectangle and triangle. We have created all 4 shapes definition. Now we will create a dictionary. The name of dictionary is DICT. DICT equal to, then we will write the curly braces opening and closing. In between these two curly braces, we will write our values. First value is circle and its key is C. Second value is square and its key is S. Third value is rectangle and its key is R. Fourth value is triangle and its key is T. Here all 4 keys are enclosed with single brace because these keys are character data type. If you use integer values as a key, then there is no need of any curly brace. We have created the dictionary. Now come to main part where we will execute our function using dictionary. First of all, we will execute circle function and print the area of circle. To execute circle function, we will write the name of dictionary, then bracket, and in between brackets we will write the key, then write the parentheses and pass the actual parameters. Here parameter is 5 and you can get the area of circle 78.5. Now for calculating area of triangle, we will pass two parameters, breadth and height. Here breadth is 5 and height is 2 and this is the area of triangle 5. In this way you can calculate the area of rectangle, square and any other functions. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.